Hello everyone and welcome to our new tutorial on Julius.ai. Julius.ai is a game changer in the world of data visualization. It is designed for anyone and everyone with no coding skill required. With its intuitive interface, you can easily transform raw data into insightful visualizations. Before we start, go to the link in the description or in the pinned comment so you can use it to use the platform totally for free to try it out. This tool is amazing, especially for engineer students. So if you have a lot of projects and you need to get some visualizations for your data, especially let's say you're a sales student or marketing student, it is amazing and very easy to use this tool. It's gonna be helpful for your projects. What you're gonna do is to go on here. The first thing is to add a file. So let's click on add file and upload. Then you choose the file that you want from your device. So click on open the file, then it will be right here. So you'll have to wait for the file to be uploaded right here, and then you can write the prompts that you need. So you'll have to ask them the question that you wanna ask for your project. So here, for example, I'm gonna click on my file. I'm gonna choose the file. Here is the file. Then you click on this icon right here. So the tool gonna start generating data for you. So the question was if he could analyze the data for you. This is sale projects. So what he gonna do, he gonna go to the data one by one, and then he gonna give you some explanations about the data. So after giving the explanation, he will start giving you some visualizations for your data. So many graphs that you may need for your projects. So we're gonna wait for it and we will get back to you. So here, as you can see, it is finished and here is the result. So it analyzed the data that we gave them. Here is the sheet of the data. So here, when we scroll down, we're gonna get some info about our data. So here he gave us the data set includes columns. So you can see all the columns right here. And then when you scroll, you're gonna have more basic statistics right here. So here, as you can see, this is the first graph. If you wanna get more graph, what you need to do is to click here, keep going. So when you click on keep going, the tool is going to go more into details. And as you can see, it always gives us a Python code. So if you want to run the code on your machine, so you can you can go download the application of Python, and after that you can copy the code directly to your Python, and after that you will get visualizations on your Python that you can use directly from your device. Now when we click on continue or keep going, the tool, what he gonna do, he gonna go again to the data and try to get more details about the data. So this is how it works. Now it gonna give us, as I told you, the code and maybe some more visualizations. If you want to get more visualizations, you click here on visualize. So when I click here, we're gonna see what it gonna give us. We're gonna wait for it here to load, and then we're gonna see, for example, it's gonna give us the missing data, the sale box plot, and much more. Now here is the result. So we can see all the graphs here. So you can use them for your projects if you're a student, or even if you work in companies and you have many tasks and a lot of work, this tool is gonna help you. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna go and click on a new chat. I'm gonna give you some steps or some tips if you're a YouTuber and you wanna make your YouTube channel successful. Let's go, for example, here to YouTube, and the first thing that you need to do as a YouTuber is to make some analyzing for your competitors. So let's say you're a singer or something like that, and you need to see how other competitors are performing. So let me just go and select any channel right here of any singer. For example, Lana Del Rey. What we're gonna do, we're gonna scroll and go to the channel of this artist. Then here you copy the link of their channel. Now let me go back on here. What you're gonna do is to go and click here. So copy the link on here and say, please, could you analyze the data of this YouTuber? So we're gonna see what it gonna give us. So here they're asking that they need to use an API for YouTube data. So say yes, proceed with the response, and we're gonna wait for them to give us a response. So here we're gonna see the response. Here the plan of the execution, they're gonna give you this code that you can use. As usual, this is the Python code that you can run for each prompts that you're given the tool, so you can use it on your own. Now we're gonna be waiting for the result. Finally, here is the result, and we can see some visualizations for this YouTube channel. So you can use it on your own. You can use many aspects and ideas. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to use the link below in the description or in the pinned comment to have access to the platform totally for free to try it.